This video is going to go through example 1 part A of mid-segments. So we can see in our picture here we have a mid-segment drawn in this triangle. Now technically we should have some tick marks in here to indicate that it is actually a mid-segment. So let's go ahead and add those in because that's what it's going to be. And we learned in the previous videos that the mid-segment of a triangle is parallel to the third side of a triangle, and it's also half the length. So this is going to be half the length. So we'll just make two little yellow marks there. We can put a point in there if we wanted to just show it's half. So this length here is going to be half of that length there. So let's go ahead and use our properties. Let's start with A. I've got this angle here and angle A over here, and if you recall from our parallel line chapter, these are corresponding angles, and we know that if the lines are parallel, the corresponding angles are congruent. So this is going to be 75 degrees. Alright, and since this is a mid-segment, it connects the midpoint over here and the midpoint over here. So on this bottom side of the triangle, since the right side is 21, the left side is also going to be 21. And next, moving on to Y, we talked about the fact that this mid-segment is half the length of the other side of the triangle. So since this third side is 14, Y is going to be 7. And looking for Z now, we know that the mid-segment divides that side into two congruent pieces because it connects the midpoints. So since this side is 16, this side is 16. And Z is going to be a total of 32. Alright, so that's it for this example. As always, make sure you get your questions answered, and we will see you in the next video.